Hello viewers, good day to you all. You're all welcome to today's class. Today we shall be discussing long division method. The question on the board says simplify 6x raised to power 3 plus 11x raised to power 2 minus 3x minus 2. All of this expression we have to divide by another expression which is 3x plus 1. So let's solve. This expression can also be written as 6x raised to power 3 plus 11x raised to power 2 minus 3x minus 2. All of these, then all over 3x plus 1. So what to do next is to introduce a square root sign for us to use the long division method. So using the square root sign, all we need to do is to put the numerator. The one at the top is the numerator, the one below is the denominator. So the numerator will be inside the square root sign, while the denominator will be outside the square root sign. So we'll put in the numerator, which is 6x raised to power 3 plus 11x squared minus 3x minus 2. So now we'll put the denominator outside the square root, 3x plus 1. So from here now we can simplify further. So from here we say 6x raised to power 3. We divide the first term outside the square root sign, which is 3x. So we say 6x raised to power 3 divided by 3x. So we're going to have a rough sketch by the side. So we say 6x raised to power 3, that is all over 3x. So let's break this down. 3 here 1, 3 here 2, x cancel x. X cancel x, there we have raised to power 2, so we have 2x squared as our answer. So we put the 2x squared at the top of the square root. So now the 2x squared, we multiply it by the 3x. So it's going to be 2x squared times 3x. So 2x squared times 3x gives us 6x raised to power 3. So we take the same 2x raised to power 2 as well. We multiply it by the second term we have outside the square root sign, which is plus 1. So 2x squared times plus 1 gives us 2x squared. So from here we minus the two expressions we have. So it's going to be 6x raised to power 3 minus 6x raised to power 3. This gives us 0. Now plus 11x raised to power 2 minus then plus 2x squared. We know that minus times plus is minus, so we have 11x raised to power 2 minus now 2x squared. So that gives us 9x raised to the power of 2. So the same thing we did in the first expression, we do it again here. So we bring down the minus 3x from the expression given. So here again we repeat the same thing we did in the first expression. So now we're going to say 9x squared. Again we divide 3x. So let's solve by the side. 9x squared all over 3x. 3 here 1, 3 here 3, x cancel x, so we are left with 3x. So 9x squared divided by 3x gives us plus 3x. So the 3x now multiplies the 3x again, that is 3x times 3x. So now we are going to have 9x squared. So now we take the 3x again and multiply by the second term outside the square root. So it's going to be 3x times 1. This will give us plus 3x. So from here, we subtract the expressions. So 9x squared minus 9x squared gives us 0. We have minus 3x minus plus 3x. Minus times plus is minus. So it becomes minus 3x minus 3x. That gives us minus 6x. Okay. So from this point here, we bring down the last term from the expression, which is minus 2. And we simplify further from here. The same thing we did in the other expressions, we do again in this step. Every step is having the same method, okay? So now we say minus 6x divided by 3x, okay? That's what we did initially. So we repeat, divided by 3x. X cancel x. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So we have minus 2 because there's a minus sign there, okay? So here we have minus 2. Now we take the 2 again, we divide by the 3x. So it's going to be 2 times 3x, which is minus 6x, please. It is minus 2 times 3x because there's a minus sign there. That is minus 6x. And minus 2 times plus 1 is minus 2. So we subtract the two expressions. Minus 6 minus minus 6 means minus 6 plus 6. Because minus times minus is plus. So it's going to be minus 6 plus 6, which is 0. Then the next one is minus 2 minus minus 2. Minus times minus again is plus. So what it means is minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So when we get to this point and we have 0 at the end of the calculation, then it means we have arrived at our final answer. So for this question, the final answer is the answer we have at the top of the square line, which is what we have here. The final answer is 2x raised to power 2 plus 3x minus 2. As you can see, this is a very simple topic. We'll solve more examples in our next class.